What's new at the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Clubhouse? Well, to begin with, someone broke the men's sauna countertop sink assembly, so we had to get it fixed. We called Hammer Construction for a quote to fix it. The quote was so reasonable, we had them replace all 4 countertops in all 4 restrooms in the clubhouse. Hammer Construction did a great job on this project. Speaking of Hammer Construction, they also installed new mirrors in our fitness room. Now when you're on the treadmills, ellipticals, or bikes, you don't have to turn around to see who just came in the room and risk falling just trying to see. Now you can just look up and look behind you. There are also new mirrors in the wall for you to look at yourself as you work out. Next, Hammer Construction will begin replacing the stage floor, stage infrastructure, and paint the stage in the ballroom. When the weather is better, the beautification program will be completed with new sod, mulch, trees, and bushes. As you can see right now, they already started with the rocks around the building. We also power washed the building, so we saved a lot of money and not have to paint the building, but it looks like it has a fresh coat of paint. Oh, we also installed new hurricane impact windows. The Crystal Lake Golf Villa Clubhouse, an extension of your home.